Hello friends, this is a cave. I'm inside a cave on one of the bottom mountains below Mount Elgon. The purpose of us coming here is none other than seeking the face of the Lord. We just thought of just hiking away from our vicinity, away from our homes, and be separate in such a place to seek the face of the Lord. Pray with us as we call upon the name of the Lord from this place. If I turn like this, behind me is down deep the valley where we have come from. It's like 25 kilometers away down below the valley. But here we are, wanting to seek the face of God. God bless you. Bye.